Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to take online exam using Campus Care through assessment section. But before we begin, let us note down some basic points to remember. Number 1. Online assessment using Campus Care can be done only through a web browser. It means online assessment is not possible through Campus Care app. You have to open the school URL over a web browser. The most compatible browser for Campus Care is Google Chrome, but you can even access it easily using Mozilla Firefox. Point number 2. Question paper for online assessment can be uploaded in PDF format only. Please keep in mind, you won't be able to upload any Word or Excel file. You won't even be able to upload the question paper in JPG or JPEG format. In simple words, no Word, no Excel and no picture file. Only PDF file can be uploaded for online assessment. So teachers, do remember to convert your question paper into PDF format. Now let us learn the various steps to follow for taking online examination through assessment section of Campus Care. First, you will go into the app list of your mobile phone and from there you are going to open Chrome from here. Then you will be typing the school URL, that is sjb.campussoft.in, and then you will press enter. In this page, you are going to click upon ERP login. Now you will be entering your user ID, next, then your password, and then you will click on sign in. As soon as you sign in, you will be getting a dashboard. What we have to do now? We have to click on application. This computer icon is the application menu. So we will be clicking on this. Here on this page, you can see various applications that are there in Campus Care. What we have to do now? We have to click on School Online. Then we will click on Question Bank. Here you will find some more sub options. You can scroll down and see, but we have to click on Online Assessment here. Here on this page, we will specify the date and time when the exam will start, and we will also specify the date and time when the exam will end. Result date and time also need to be specified here while uploading the assessment. Let us do it step by step. For creating an online assessment, first you need to scroll down and then you will be clicking on New. Now we will specify the title. For example, I am creating a demo test for the subject Maths. Demo test for Maths. Then in description, you can add the instructions for the children. Like I can write here, you have to write only the answers. Like I have written the instruction, you need to write only the answers and write all the answers in a single sheet. Now we will input the start date and time. This is that time when the question paper will be visible to the students. Suppose I want to take this online test tomorrow, 19th at 10 o'clock, 10:00. Then we will set this time. And I want this exam to be over same day, that is 19th at 11:30 set, and the result should be out on 20th at, suppose I give the time, 9:09 a.m. set. Next step, we will choose our class. So there are two options. We can upload this assessment student wise, or we can upload it class wise. Generally we will upload it class wise only. So we will select this option and then 1C, this is my class. Then we will choose the subject, maths, and now we will choose the file, that is the question paper. We will choose the file. You know that you have to upload a PDF file. Then we will go into the place where the file is saved. Open PDF, and this is the file, the first one. I'll choose it, and now I will click on save. Please wait until it is uploaded successfully. See, the file has been saved successfully. We can even check below. You will see the list of the assessment that has been uploaded. Here you can see demo test for maths. This assessment we have saved class wise. One more option is student wise. In this, what do we do? Suppose any child has missed to give the exam. Then in such case, how we will upload the assessment? First we will click on new. Then again we will go, first we will fill all these details, and then here we will select student wise, select the class, and then display. You will be having the list of all your students. Then from here you will be selecting the child for whom you have to upload this assessment. Then you select that child, and rest the steps are the same that we have done for class wise. After filling all the details, we will click on save, and this assessment will be uploaded for this child. This was all about uploading the question paper for online assessment. Now the second part is the correction part. How we will do the correction of the answer script that the children will send to us. For the correction of the answer script, again we will go to School Online, Question Bank, and this time we will click on Online Assessment Review. Select the date range, that is 18 today's date. Then class 1C, subject I have uploaded for maths, so only maths is showing here, maths, and then demo test for maths. See, only one child has uploaded the answer script. But you can see that the complete message is not visible. So in order to view the complete message, what we will do, on right hand side you can see 3 dots. On that you will click, and then you will choose this option, desktop site. Now you will be able to view the complete message. Let us fill in the details once again. We will select class, then maths, and demo test for maths. See, here Vedansh Gautam has uploaded the answer script. So what we will do, we will view it. View, again desktop site. Here is the answer script that the child has uploaded. After doing the correction of the answer script, we will note down the marks, and then what we will do? We can input the marks over here and we can put the remarks over here. So suppose the child has got 20 out of 25. Then I will put here 20 and remarks I will give good. And then I will click on save. So the result has been prepared for this paper. We will have to wait until it is saved. Saved successfully. So this was all about the assessment section of Campus Care. Thank you all.